everyone. Welcome to Greenads Global's official YouTube page. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your very own marketing template with image on our platform. Let's dive right in and unlock the full potential of Telinfy together. First, log into your Telinfy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the dashboard. Click on the Add Template button to start crafting your unique message. Give your template a name. Choose something descriptive and easy to remember. This will help you quickly identify it later when you have multiple templates. Next, select the appropriate category for your template to ensure it aligns with your message purpose. Then, choose the language that you'll be communicating in. We support multiple languages to help you connect with your audience globally. Now it's time to select the type of template you wish to create. Each type serves a different communication need, so pick the one that best fits your message. In the text box provided, type in your message. You can also copy and paste text here. Remember, you can add up to 1,024 characters to perfectly shape your communication. If your message requires multimedia, click on the header option. You can upload images in JPG or PNG formats, videos in MP4 format, and documents in PDF format. Please note, the maximum file size allowed is 5 MB. A footer is a small yet powerful feature. Add a concise message that will be displayed after the main text. It's perfect for adding contact details or a closing remark. Engage your audience further with call to action buttons. You can add a phone number for direct contact, a URL to guide users to your website or social media page, or a quick reply option for instant feedback. Choose the one that aligns with your communication goals. Once you're satisfied with your template, hit the Create button. Congratulations, your Telinfy template is now ready.